Welcome back to Ferris Tutorials and to episode 2 of
Master It Fast, your ultimate crash course series for food, nutrition, and health.
We're still at section 1, but in today's video we're zooming in on lifestyle diseases and its impact on the cardion. Let us look at the key areas of focus: common diet-related health issues, how poor diet leads to diseases, effects on individuals and the cardion, and of course we have sample questions included. All right, so starting off with our definitions, right? Lifestyle diseases, what are they? They are diseases or illnesses linked to poor lifestyle habits like unhealthy eating, inactivity, or smoking. There are different types of lifestyle diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and heart disease. Now our sample question may be: define lifestyle diseases and give 2 examples. Moving right along, we're looking at the different types of lifestyle diseases. Now let's get something clear. When we speak of lifestyle diseases
and diet-related diseases or health problems,
we are speaking of the same things, okay? So if they may use interchangeably on your exam, but they're referring to the same, right? Now let us now look at overweight and obesity. It is caused by energy imbalance, which is excess calorie intake and low activity. So this person may be consuming a lot of fatty foods, taking a lot of calories from foods, but they are inactive. They have a sedentary lifestyle, right? They're not using as much calories as they're taking in, and this is why it may lead to overweight and obesity. Now, health risk. So persons may experience heart disease, diabetes, or even joint problems. Sample question: state 2 risk of obesity, right? All right, now moving on
to diabetes mellitus.
Now this is where the body cannot regulate blood sugar properly. There are 2 types. So type 1 is when the pancreas stops producing insulin, and type 2,
the pancreas is producing the insulin, but
it cannot be used by the body. It's not effective. All right, now symptoms may include frequent urination, thirst, and fatigue. Diet-related causes: excess sugar or obesity can lead to diabetes. Good.
And we're doubling up with hypertension and anemia. Now, hypertension is otherwise called high blood pressure, right? And this is where the blood pressure raises above normal levels and remain constantly high. Now, risk may be stroke. It is also linked with salty food and if you consume fatty diets. As it relates to iron deficiency anemia, low red blood cells due to poor iron intake. Symptoms may include fatigue, pale skin, or even dizziness. All right,
moving right along to teeth and eating disorders. So dental caries, scientific name for tooth decay. So it may be from you consuming sugary foods in the diet or just poor oral care. This person is not taking care of their teeth any at all, right? Now there are 2 types of eating disorders:
anorexia
and also bulimia. Now as it relates to anorexia, these persons, they may starve themselves, right, to have extreme weight loss. On the other hand, bulimia, these persons binge eat. So they eat a lot of food and then they force themselves to purge. So they either throw it up or they force themselves to take laxative and they have diarrhea. Good. Now both linked to mental health and unhealthy body image. All right, moving right along, we're doubling up with heart disease and stroke. Now this refers to the blockage of blood flow to the heart,
which lead to heart disease. But if there's a blockage of the flow of the blood to the brain, then they can have stroke, right? Now these are due to a variety of reasons, such as fatty buildup in the arteries.
These are caused by high fat intake, high salt intake, and lack of exercise as well, right?
Now, a sample question may be, state 2 causes of heart disease, and that is worth 2 marks.
So we speak of high salt intake, lack of exercise, and also a high fat diet. All right, moving right along.
So we have reviewed the types of lifestyle diseases and also diet related health problems, right? Remember, the two can be used interchangeably. Now let us look at the impact on Caribbean citizens.
Or you could say what impact it has on the Caribbean, or what impact it has on your country, or it may say what impact it has on Caribbean people, right? So those phrases may be used interchangeably based on how the question is structured, right? Now let us look at the first one here, and we have loss of productivity. Now, fewer health workers, so low human resource, because everybody is sick. No one is there to be the nurse, to be the doctor, to be the scientist, to be the teacher, right? So you have low human resource within the country. Also, families spend more income on healthcare. So from their disposable income that they take home after taxes, guys, they will not have as much to spend on their family, because they have to be spending it on medication, going to the doctor, and fees like those, right? Also, government spends more on hospitals and medicine, so public health bills. Now, you have an FNH fund in Jamaica. You have other type of insurance that is funded by the government in other Caribbean countries as it relates to helping the citizens to deal with lifestyle diseases, right? They have to spend more on medicine, they have to spend more on hospital machines, all of that stuff, right? Now, a sample question could be, explain one impact of diet related diseases on national health systems.
Now, this question is drawing our prior knowledge based on what we just discussed, right? Now, a sample ideal response could be, one major impact of diet-related diseases on national health systems is the increased cost of healthcare. You could also say more citizens suffer from conditions like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease due to poor diets. The government is forced to spend more money on public hospitals, medication, treatment, and health education programs. Now, this put pressure on national budget and can reduce funding for other critical sectors such as education. As a result, the health system becomes overwhelmed, leading to longer wait times, reduced quality care, and strain on medical staff. Okay, guys? So try your very best to think critically and also apply the knowledge that you have. All right, and we're moving right along to some sample questions that may also come from this section. 1. Define lifestyle diseases and give 2 examples of each. 3 marks. 2. List 3 symptoms of diabetes. 3 marks. 3. Outline 2 effects of hypertension. 4 marks. 4. Explain how obesity affects a country's economy, right? Now you can see how the questions, they may come, how they may differ. Just remember, any question that asks you the effects of lifestyle diseases, or the effects of diet-related health problems, or the effects of the specific one. So it may say obesity, it may say hypertension, or it may say diabetes, guys. It's the same content, right? All you need to do, think critically about your thoughts and put your response together. Okay, all right, and that is it for part 2. See you in part 3. All the best, and you've got this.